Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to transfer money from HDFC to a UK bank account? It's simple. Let's walk through the steps. First of all, open the HDFC mobile app or visit netbanking.hdfcbank.com and log into your account. Next, go to the Funds Transfer section and select International Transfers. If you haven't already, add your UK bank account as a beneficiary by providing the IBAN and SWIFT code. Enter the amount, choose the transfer currency, and review any applicable fees before proceeding. Double check all details, then hit submit or transfer. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is processed. And that's it. Your money is now on its way from HDFC to your UK bank account, safe and easy. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.